Detecting a defect is only the beginning. The real question is why it happened, and AI can take you from detection to root cause faster than ever. Here's a concrete example. An electronics manufacturer was struggling with solder defects on circuit boards. They trained a vision model on 2,500 labeled images to classify joints as good, bridged, or cold. Precision hit 96%. But they also ran an anomaly detection model alongside it, one trained only on good joints. When a brand new defect appeared, microcracking from a paste viscosity change, the classifier had never seen it. But the anomaly model flagged it as unusual, and it got caught. Then they linked defect timestamps to sensor data. The spike correlated with a 4-degree drop in paste temperature. One process adjustment later, defects dropped 62%. Detection tells you what. Analysis tells you why.